100% done for you digital product, $300. All you have to do is copy and paste the ads that I give you. 100 plus different copy paste ads. The done for you digital product. The system, all you have to do is copy paste ads, whether you want to do it on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, or Craigslist, right? You get paid $300 for every digital product sale. And you don't have to do any selling because the digital product, the ads, that we call advertisements, do all the selling and telling for you. I'll give you a special link. Inside that special link is coded back to you. So when someone buys the digital product through your ad, they're going to pay you $300 over and over and over again. 1, right here on the screen, 2 on the screen, 3 on the screen, 4 on the screen, right? This is done for you, copy paste ads. You can do this on TikTok, you can do this on Instagram, you can do this on YouTube, you can do this on Facebook, you can do this on Craigslist. You don't have to show your face, you don't have to become an influencer. All this can be done through picture ads or video ads depending on what you want to do. Video ads work, picture ads work. Here are some examples on the screen. Literally, you spend an hour a day on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Craigslist, posting picture ads or posting video ads. Those ads will get people to send people to a website that's coded back to you. When someone buys a digital product, the money goes into your account and you keep the $300 for yourself. If you want to get started with copy paste ads, working with me one-on-one, click the link below and get started today. Talk to you soon. Peace.